Today is let's see, we started on it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Today is day 4. The entire base, entire deck boards have been put on. They're going to start working on all the headers tomorrow for the top part, so we can start working on the ceiling, or the roof I should say. You definitely see it's a pretty good size gazebo. We designed it so you can actually be standing right in the middle, and if somebody was taking pictures, the bride and the groom, if they were taking pictures from this side, the bride and groom's photo would be basically, this would be the background. And if it was taking pictures this way, the trees would be the background with the arches. So there'll be lots of archways and other things installed. I shouldn't say archways, corner decorative pieces that'll be installed on the outside edges of this. Right now there's a little bit of wiggle when you move this post, but that'll all get see it just a little bit. That'll all get sturdied up when we start adding all the other joists up top.